Computex 2026. We're here at the Gigabyte booth and we're going to be talking about the latest motherboards from the refresh from AORUS. We're going to be also taking a quick look at the CQDIMMs, and to talk more about it today we have Andrew. Hey Andrew, how's it going today?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm good. So yeah, this is the first year that Gigabyte moved the whole exclusive products to the booth at the Whole One Exhibition Center, fourth floor. So we have lots of good things to share.
Yeah, I'm actually very happy that you guys are over here.
Yeah,
I mean, I didn't mind you guys being set up in the other building, but now here you're with everybody. So it's really nice to have you guys here, and beautiful motherboards. Okay, so let's start.
Yeah, so what right now you're seeing is the Gigabyte's Z890 refresh motherboard. Actually, Gigabyte is the only motherboard vendor who released the Z890 refresh motherboard as a collaboration or celebration to the Arrow Lake refresh CPU for 270K plus and 250K plus. Yeah, we call it like a Duo X series. Yeah.
This is nice. So I see you guys have completely rotated the socket 90 degrees. Can you tell us a little bit more, why is that the case?
Yeah, because right now you're holding this actually the Z890 AORUS Tachyon Duo X Ice, which is an overclocking intensive for extreme overclocking. So HiCookie, our power user, used that to break the world record. We moved the DRAM from the side to the top. It's for a better overclocking performance as well. So also the DRAM routing is shorter compared with move from the side to the top.
Yeah, that makes sense. So it's shorter, so it's easier to get higher speeds due to signal integrity issues. So that's pretty neat. I was also very surprised that you guys have here dual M.2 slots for the SSDs.
Very good observation on that. So we have two M.2 slots right here. So yeah, good things.
Yeah, quick release.
Beautiful. Quick release. It's really easy to install. You know, so we have something underneath as well. So
nice. Right, even more here too, and you have pretty sturdy PCIe slots, so for those big video cards.
Yeah, after all, the ultra durable is something we have emphasized from the startup of the Gigabyte's founding for 40 years ago. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
The other thing that I like to see, like that we see pretty often in overclocking motherboards, is actually the quick access buttons. And I guess this is also you can go up and down on the frequency if you want.
Of course. It's easy, really handy for pretty much HiCookie designed that based on his personal use, and what everything he thinks is handy for him, he just put it on the board.
Nice, awesome. Thank you so much. All right. So this is this beautiful AORUS Tachyon Duo X.
Yeah.
So what do we have here?
So right now you're seeing is the Z890 AORUS Elite Duo X. This actually is the Elite segment. So the first thing you will see is that this is a 2DIMM design. The Duo X series refers to the 2DIMM design that actually has a very special things is the CQDIMM support. So CQDIMM is something like a 4-rank CUDIMM. Compared with a traditional UDIMM CUDIMM is that it actually supports up to 128 GB per piece. So you install 2 pieces, then you get like a maximum system memory capacity of up to like a 256 GB. So while having the like a really insane of the speed of the DRAM wise. So we're running it like 8,000 or even more MT per second with the DRAM memory speed. Yeah.
No, this is great. It's a beautiful motherboard. I see that. And like you said, you get all the speed and also the capacity is really good. And you showed me earlier that you can see here that CQDIMM, it supports that.
Yeah.
Also see you have like here right next to it, which I never seen before, an M.2. So the routing must be pretty interesting about it.
Yeah, so the expansion possibility is something we want to offer to our users. So that's why we have an extra M.2 here. Underneath, the same thing, we'll also M.2 here.
Nice.
3 M.2 here. So if you count the first one, you have 5 M.2 on one single motherboard. Yeah.
This is beautiful. This is great.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are all the new motherboards for the 200S Plus, also the AORUS Lake refresh.
Yeah.
But you were talking to us about like the CQDIMM. So I heard that you have here some of those memories. So what can you tell us more about that?
Yeah, for the CUDIMM is something that, as I just said, we don't want the user to do the compromising on the speed and memory capacity. So Intel actually break this or try to have the innovation on offering the 4-rank or CUDIMM support on the POC or proof of concept design. So we decide to follow Intel to implement the very same design on the Arrow Lake platform. So we take this chance while the Arrow Lake refresh CPU, very good CPU by the way, so good IMC, good memory controller. So we take this chance to have our Duo X refresh series for better supporting these CPUs, and have this CPU supported the CQDIMM as well. It would be the most powerful system with gaming, also for the memory overclocking, for all the multitasking at the same time.
Yeah. This is amazing. The one thing that you mentioned, you said overclocking. You guys currently hold the world record.
Yeah, so for the overclocking world record is something that HiCookie still on the world record of overclocking for 13,500 MT per second. It's kind of like hard to pronounce. Yeah.
it is a mouthful for sure.
I just had a talk with him. He said he was going to break that like sooner or later, like these few days. So let's stay tuned. Yeah.
That would be pretty awesome. I can't wait to see you guys do that, especially when we have such a powerful and solid memory controller in our processor.
Yeah.
Andrew, thank you so much. I really enjoyed this. Appreciate it.
Thank you for your time, man.
No, thank you for having us.